Wait,
Give us a 5 second
from where?
start. From here until the trash can.
Okay.
Give us a 5-second head start.
All right. Let me just turn on the bike and. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
I said, which one of y'all won?
I won.
You won? All right, good job, man.
I'm third. I was second.
Second?
I was fourth.
Third? Hey, don't matter.
I was in the lead.
Y'all have fun? Yeah? You have fun, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. You're going to say ready, set, go? Okay. And you said 6 seconds or how many seconds? 10 seconds? But go to the dumpster and then back, right? Okay. Nah, I do 10. All right. Go ahead, buddy. Adrian. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Who won? Who won? You, but who got here first?
Me.
You? Good job, man.
I did second. I beat you. Third again.
Third?
I saw who win. I saw who win.
Who won?
Me. You win from over there and you win from here.
All right, good job, guys. It's off, yeah.
Yeah, he faked on it. You tried it. Just make sure you don't burn yourself.
Yeah.
Dude, the pipe is right behind you too.
That one's not so bad. The one that gets really hot is the one in front.
Meow. Here, I can take a picture. Wait, I wanna I'm on.
It's not gonna move. Go ahead. Who's first? You're gonna rev it? Is it? It's on this side.
It's so cool. Yes.
There you go.
As hard as I can.
Ah, there it shut off.
You're on me. Wait, let me try getting on it and starting it. It might be easier.
Oh, you can just try that.
Yeah, your friend will cool, bro. No, I'm not. Oh, my butt cheeks are gonna hurt. Wait, do you need to hold the brakes?
All right, just for 1 second.